In this video we're giving an honest review of Visible Mobile Carrier, a budget-friendly wireless provider owned by Verizon. Visible operates entirely online and offers simple plans starting at $25 per month, with higher tiers providing faster hotspot speeds, 4K streaming and smartwatch support. All plans include unlimited data, talk and text. Users appreciate Visible for its affordability and reliable coverage on Verizon's network. The unlimited mobile hotspot is a standout feature for those needing data on the go. Its straightforward pricing makes it easy to understand without hidden fees. However, there are some limitations. Visible has no physical stores, and customer support is only available through online chat, which can be less convenient. It also lacks family plan discounts, which may be a drawback for multi-line users. Overall, Visible is a solid choice for individuals seeking affordable, unlimited wireless service with Verizon reliability, as long as you're comfortable with online-only support. If this review helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech and service insights.